It's stronger than I thought.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am excited. I am about to unbox the Daily Goodie Box, and you guys know this is the best time of the month, okay? So yeah, this is for the month of January. I am gonna go ahead and get into these goodies, and I'll have the information across the screen for those who are not familiar with the Daily Goodie Box. But let me just let you know that yes, this is 100% free items in here. Okay, you're gonna get some full-size products, you're gonna get some sample products, but everything that comes in this box is completely free, and it also includes shipping and handling. So yeah, without further ado, okay, I literally was just thinking about coffee. So this is perfect because I'm actually gonna brew a cup of this. This is from Kuju Coffee. Kuju Coffee has the base camp blend of oak, chocolate, and honey. And this is medium roast. Oh my goodness. And best part of all, it's 2 in here, baby. But yeah, these are single serve coffee. I do have to open this because I need to see what this smells like. You don't appreciate life until you know what a fresh brewed medium roast coffee smells like. On there. Okay. You open the top.
Yeah,
Oh, that's a quick way to make some coffee. Good. Oh yeah. This is going to be a good unboxing, baby, because along with the coffee, okay, which is already a favorite of mine, you guys know that. Now they also have tea in here. I love tea as well. So this is from Miracle Tree. This is the Moringa Organic Superfood Tea and Rooibos. Think I pronounced that correctly. Rooibos. Rowdy bar has the Peanutty dark chocolate, and it has 13 grams of protein, 10 grams of fiber, okay, and 3 grams of total sugar. Wow. So, you guys already know I gotta try this out. Smells good. Mmm. This is not bad at all. And that chocolate, it comes out in like this little goo out of nowhere. Honestly, that chocolate is what really made this bar. This is good. Okay, Rowdy bar. Good one. I like it. This may be the first time I have ever tried bath salts, but this is all natural green goo bath salts, and it is called Love Sweet Love Hibiscus. And I like the little message too. It says, open your heart to the scent of passion and ecstasy. Look at how huge this bottle is. This is huge. Here, this is South of France, a natural body care. So this is a hydrating hand and body cream with shea butter and cocoa butter. You guys must know I need this because your girl gets really, really ashy. I don't want to say ashy. I'll say dry skin. Okay, I get dry skin. Okay. See what it does to my hands. Oh, it is soft. Very soft. It smells like when you get a fresh bouquet of flowers, a climbing wild rose. That is it. And I literally just said it smells like flowers. Okay, I don't know. This one is called Moon Cheese. And this is white cheddar, black pepper. I'm saying it just like I see it. White cheddar, black pepper. Crunchy bites and savory fun. Oh, I bet that's good too. And it's on a health kick. Okay, because it has 10 grams of protein, 0 grams of sugar, and we will see how the moon cheese tastes. All right, we had a hard time trying to open this up, but that's what they look like. Okay. I mean, I don't know what I was expecting, but it tastes exactly like it says, white cheddar, black pepper. Oh, I know what I was thinking. I was thinking it would taste more like a chip, but it really just tastes like you've pulled some of that good cheese out the refrigerator and just start eating it. Yeah. Okay. It's not bad. And then, I mean, it's good too. It's all natural. Okay. So this is the last product that is in the box. And it is from Manuka Guard. Manuka Guard sent over the medical grade Manuka Honey Sinus Cleanser. Wow. So it gently cleans and moisturizes your nasal passages so that you can breathe easy. Daily Goodie Box. Did you know that I was under the weather recently? So you're sending me all these things to make me feel better. You're giving me tea. You're giving me cleansers for the nose. Subconsciously, I think you all cared. And you were checking on me. Yep. And you sent over everything I needed. So yeah, this is the Moringa Honey Sinus Cleanser. Oh, wow. And a good expiration date. Look, that doesn't expire until like October 2023. Wow. Oh, it smells good. Oh, I'm scared. It smells good. It's strong. It's stronger than I thought. See, it's stronger than I thought, but it smells really good. And this is what happens when you go and you mess with and try every single thing in a box. But yeah, shout out to Manuka. Okay, okay. Well, guys, that is it for the Daily Goodie Box. I hope that you all enjoyed this unboxing. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys love the Daily Goodie Box and the items that you've been receiving. Also, if you guys are interested in anything that you saw here in this video, I will have a link to every single product here so that you guys can check it out and grab some items for yourself. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.